Are you a high school student looking to take your education to the next level? Have you looked up admissions information to countless universities or colleges of choice but just don't know what to do next? This is a situation that can easily make any student want to give up on their dreams. But it doesn't have to be that way. At Ampla Education, we can help. We provide comprehensive university consulting services that help students gain admission into top universities of their dreams. Our process at Ampla Education is simple and begins with an initial consultation to understand your profile, aspirations, as well as identifying your strengths. Then we proceed to design a customised application strategy plan that best aligns with your interests, which includes personal statement guidance, interview coaching, and exam preparation. And through implementing this strategy, we'll prepare, coach, and support you until you're admitted, providing continued support even afterwards during your university years. At Ampla, our consultants have helped students gain offers from universities like Cambridge and Oxford in the UK and Harvard or Stanford in the US. And all being graduates of these top universities, our consultants possess vast experience in academic tutorials and providing guidance for university or college applications. What truly sets Ampla apart as an admissions consulting expert is our unmatched global network and the level of customised services we provide. Do not wait to start living your educational dreams. Contact us today. Ampla Education, amplify your potential.